Hi, my name is Marty Plecky. I like to work on things. Sometimes I'm forced to because it's something I need that doesn't work. This time I'm going to work on this multimeter. It belongs to my son-in-law, but it doesn't read voltage like it's supposed to. It does turn on, which makes me believe that there is not much wrong with it. So the electronics in here are very complicated, and I'm not smart enough to find something that isn't pretty obvious. But again, it seems to work, so it might be something simple, except it doesn't read voltage, and I'll show you that in a second. I have two multimeters here. This one I know works, and this is the one I'm going to be working on. I have this one set for volts AC, and this is a live socket, and I'm just going to shove these probes in there. So you see that it's registering 120 volts. I'll turn this guy on to 200 volts AC. I don't get a reading of voltage on this. Now I've got a 4-volt lithium ion battery here. I'm going to check that one with this multimeter. I'm going to change it to volts DC. So it's 4.11 volts from this multimeter that I know works. I'm going to move the selector to 20 volts DC and check this battery. And again, I get no voltage reading at all. I checked continuity on this multimeter's wires, and they both checked just fine. Now I've got this multimeter set to continuity check, and what that means is when these things have a short circuit, like when I touch them together, that'll be a short circuit, a buzzer will ring. So now I'm going to check these fuses. They should be a short circuit too, and there's no indication that that fuse is anything but blown as an open circuit. So I'll check this one too. This is a 400 milliamp 600 volt fuse. This is a 10 amp 600 volt fuse, and it is also not registering that there's any continuity, so it's obvious that both of these fuses are blown. Now, many times it's not that simple, but sometimes it is. So I'm going to pop these fuses out and put in a fuse that I know is a good fuse, even though it's not the right value, just to see if the meter will work with a fuse that's not blown. And if it does, I'll order the correct fuses and this meter will function properly. So I'm going to turn it on to volts AC and run these probes into the outlet. Well, there you go. 120 volts, 19.7. Now I'm going to get my battery. I'll change it to 20 volts DC. and check the battery. And I'm getting 4.12 volts DC. So the only thing wrong with this meter was the fuse was blown. Not the 10 amp. Just the not this 10 amp. It was the 400 milliamp fuse that was blown. The 10 amp fuse is on a different circuit, but it would not read the 10 amps if I don't replace that 10 amp fuse. So this was a pretty quick fix, I'm pleased to say. I have the new fuses. I've got this multimeter set at continuity so that when the probes touch, you hear a beep. So I'm going to test these fuses. I'm sure they're good. That's the 10 amp fuse. This is a 0.5 amp fuse. Now it's supposed to have a 400 milliamp or 0.4 amp fuse, but I'm sure that this one will work and not cause damage. It's a fast blow fuse. And the 0.4 amp fuses were remarkably more expensive. So I'm going to put this meter back together and test it. I have the meter back together, and I'm going to check this 120 volt outlet, and there it is. So this meter is going to function until the fuse gets blown again. I'm going to check the battery voltage too, just because I had checked it before, and we're getting a good reading there too. If you got something from this video, which I hope you did, pause it before it ends and click on the like button. Also, it would be great if you subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.